Large parts, it opens up the door for us to expand our horizons. Not a lot of machine shops can say, hey, I can run this small part, but I can do your big stuff as well. So we try to provide that service. Hello, my name is Gary Bodukoglu. I'm the owner of High Tech Machine. We are a prototype manufacturing facility. A lot of the stuff we do is for the oil and gas industry. We can manufacture a part from 1/2 inch diameter all the way up to 65-inch diameter. Where we see our bottleneck is trying to get the millwork done, and having VTLs that have milling capabilities on them, where you don't have to have such a huge footprint just to do the millwork. So from a rigidity and capabilities standpoint, the benefits that we saw from the Momentum versus other brands was, I call, the bones of the machine. The casting itself was a complete wraparound, and we were able to approach the part on both sides of the part. You can actually see the machine itself. It's not covered up, so you actually know what you're getting, and when you see it, it's like, that's a very stout machine. The Super Ram was something new to us. With the Super Ram, we could have 2 or 3 of the same tools, and during roughing process, we can actually time it to where once the insert wears, we can index and continue on without having to worry about changing. And that also reduced downtime. What we've seen is with the Momentum that we're able to take a large part and put it on the machine one time and just pretty much accomplish everything we're trying to do all at once, whether it's lathe work or mill work. One of the lingering problems is what happens if my machine goes down? You know, whether it's human error or mechanical error, Momentum has been wonderful as far as service, even support. You know, like if I have a question or if I need a parameter or whatnot, I can always pick up the phone and I can have the answer almost immediately. So the support side on the Momentum is first class, and I can honestly say with the amount of brands that we have in our building, we don't get to see that very often. You know, down the road when we buy another VTL, it'll definitely be a Momentum. This has actually opened up and broadened our horizons, and it's made manufacturing a lot easier for us.